Hey up everybody, it's Alan here from Danumblades. Not really a workshop working-y type video, it's just a bit more of an update and trying to update my own workshop. I've decided to take this partition wall down here that was made out of bits of hardboard and some bits of racking that had stuff on it that wasn't mine, and I probably couldn't get to most of it anyway. So what I've done is I've pulled all that out. As you can see behind me, it has opened it up a bit. And then next plan is to start building a frame up for it. I've got my door, I've got my hole for my door. I've got to add those in. Basically the idea is to make this area, my clean area, a bit more dust free. With having the hole in the wall anyway, dust from workshop just kept coming through. It doesn't matter what you do to it. I've got my filter in, I've got a vacuum shot back to try and minimise as much as possible, but you always get that bit. Because one thing I want to get for this year is a laser engraver. I've been umming and ahhing over it for a while, and it's just one of those things at the minute, because I have to take them somewhere else, get those done. There's a bit of time taken doing that. Obviously the time travelling backwards and forwards, and to be honest I could be doing more time in workshop and getting stuff done. So I need to get this area as dust free as possible, and I'm going to put the partition wall in. I want to put an extraction unit in here somehow, or just a small fan to be able to, which I'll need anyway for using the laser engraver. It's going to have similar to what I've done on this side where I've got the racking and the workbench. So on this side I'm going to put up to about here. This area is going to have a workbench on it that's going to have my heat treating oven, and then also the stuff that I use for making kydex. The opposite side I'm going to have a rack going across the top, just as a general storage area. This side is then going to have a table coming out, predominantly for being able to cut leather on, and I thought because it's going to be like a 2 foot wide bench, what I'm going to do is from the attached to this back wall, or this wall here, a bench that folds down so it can extend it basically to make it sort of like 4 foot wide. At the minute I've got my sewing machine crammed into this little corner here. This thing's going out of the way. I've turned it round to what I did have it before because it was pointed towards the wall and sort of like restricted the movement on being able to push it closer. So I spun it round so at least I can sit down where this thing is, work on it, and then I've got this open space here. Now it's just a case of trying to build everything up. My brother come back from being away over Christmas and New Year and then said, "You do remember you've got some wood down in the house that he's building?" I thought, right, I could have started on it yesterday, so I'm going to make a start on it today, at least to be able to put the framework up and get the door in. I've got some more wood ordered, some 2x4s and also some plywood sheeting. Phew, that's not cheap now anymore, is it? Flipping heck. So let's crack on. Don't know if you can hear it. Some winks up there. We'll be back up at Winton Bay in a few weeks' time. No doubt they'll still be down here. Anyway, right. So, job sorted. Well, as far as I can get from what wood I had, and I put my door in. Keep draft out. There we go. First bit of framework up. Just need to put my other strands in and get the boards up, and then make me workbenches. So hopefully next time you see me I will be carrying on with this job. If you're watching the belt making video, this is where I'm going to get back to you at. I'm in a position where all the wood's arrived, got all that sort of delivered, and there we go. I've pretty much done all the battening that I want to do for the wall. Just started that top rail up for the racking that's going to go on the top. That rail there is for the bench where my heat treating oven's going to go. I need to sort that out. Also going to put that other bench in here. First board's in, so I need to cut a board section for this one, a board for here, and then a bit to fill in the top gap and also down at the bottom as well. But I'm not doing too bad with it, so I'm just going to keep on doing, crack on, because really I need this sorting before I can rearrange my workshop a little bit and get sorted with a few knives and a bit of leather work again. And as soon as this is done, I can show you where I'm up to with that belt, but you'll have to go back to the belt making video to watch that one. It's just not going to be on this. Right. So there we go, all sorted. Racking's up at the top, got some extra boxes for storage. Bench is done. Might need to put a bit of extra support on underneath of it. I might put a bit of support on the top of these, and I just could do with at least a light in that corner. I've had to borrow that one from this corner, so I'll just get me another one for them. This one's sorted for the heat treating oven and also my bits for my Kydex. Just needs tidying up for that bit. But other than that, guys, I've managed to get it all sorted. So that's sort of stage 2 of my workshop improvements. The reason I need to do that, like I say earlier, was because I wanted to get a laser engraver. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put it yet now. I might put it onto a trolley so I can at least tuck it out of the way. But it should keep the dust definitely down to a minimum in this area. But there we go, quick short one for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.